Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use iOS 26 new features in 2026. Well, iOS 26 gives your iPhone a massive visual and functional overhaul. The update introduces a fresh liquid glass translucent aesthetic, robust on your device, AI screen callings, and new iMessage features. So let's go through all of them shortly. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and tap and hold on the home screen. Once you simply go ahead and do that, click on the edit on the top left of your screen and click on customize. Now inside of the customize, as you can see, you can select clear glass, tinted glass, or even dark and light, whatever you prefer right over here. You can also change the colors of the tinted glass if you want to, and put clear if you want to as well, just like that. Now, when it comes to the oversized clock, if you simply go ahead and long press on your lock screen and tap on customize, you can use the drag bar in the bottom right of the clock to resize and dynamically position it. Also, AI call screening and hold assist is a new one. Let your phone wait on hold for you or screen unknown numbers automatically. When you get a spam call, tap the screen call button to use hold assist. Tap hold when automated menu started talking, and your phone will alert you when a human representative is on the line. Also, there's personalized individual chat threads, which is going to be inside of your messages. You can simply go ahead and change it in iMessage. So if you simply go ahead and head to a friend, as you can see, I've already changed the background. If you tap on the person's name and click on background, you can actually go ahead and enable so many different backgrounds, as you can see. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.